Next, I'm sorry that the other video ended abruptly. I'm just going to finish up our presentation here on these next two slides. So the next thing I wanted to talk to you about was getting ahead. We will be having some busy weeks ahead. This is week 8. Week 10 especially. Week 10 will be a heavy workload. So I am opening up some things that will be due week 10 for you to be working ahead a little bit if you have some time. So if you would like to work ahead, you can read the green sheet instructions. And we're going to be working with green sheets this week, so it will be familiar. And you can work on trying to get some green sheets done for our actual paper. So you're going to be doing green sheets on commutative justice and distributive justice and where they intersect. And then you're going to be doing green sheets on social justice and procedural justice and where they intersect. And you're also going to be doing some green sheets on where retributive and restorative justice intersect. So this will be incredibly helpful for you if you do this work with the green sheets on having all of the pre-work done. Then when you start to write your paper, you will have all kinds of resources to look back on and to feed the content of your paper. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that those are in there. It's labeled very clearly when they're due. The commutative and distributive and social and procedural justice stuff is due week 10, and the retributive and restorative stuff is due week 11. So if you want to work ahead, I welcome that. And now everything is done, and I hope you have a really good week. I am really excited to see how you do on your justice story sort. And just remember that I'm going to be looking at justification, and if it makes sense, if you have good justification and text evidence in that justification, that is what I'm going to be looking at. If you don't have the exact answers, and there are right answers in my brain, I have chosen specific stories to go with specific justice types. So there are right and wrong answers. But if you get them mixed up, it doesn't matter as long as you can justify it. Okay, that's all for now. Have a wonderful week. If you have questions, email me, and I will see you all in the discussions and in your assignments this week, and I'm excited to read about it.